Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a quick tip on how you can get a review edited on booking.com. So yeah, it will only work for booking.com. It's different for Airbnb. You can't change a review once it's been submitted by both people. So yeah, I just logged into my booking.com for my personal stays. And yeah, sometimes there's been a misunderstanding with the guest or they've accidentally clicked the wrong button. So I've had that in the past where one guy clicked the wrong button for cleaning, and I did follow up with him because I wanted to know what had happened, and then he realized he made an error. So yeah, I showed him how to edit the review. So you would just go to your name on the right hand side, the guest would, and then you just click on reviews. So it's the fifth option down. And this was the last place that stayed at, and it was in France for a wedding, just outside Paris. And yeah, it was an amazing stay. I gave it 10 out of 10. And yeah, so the guest, you can only do this within 60 days of the booking finishing and submitting the review. So you would just ask the guest to do the first steps and then click on the three dots on the right hand side and then just click edit, and then you'll be able to edit the review. Well, the guests will be able to edit the review if they have made an error. So yeah, that's one quick tip that I wanted to give you.